this looks delicious. Alien slime egg. You look so good. It's so delicious.
I'm so excited for slime school today. I know I'm gonna get an A on this homework. Ellie, are you ready? Huh? Oh yeah, I'm ready. What's that you have? This? Yeah, what is that? It's my homework. Homework? We had to make a sparkly slime for homework. Don't you remember? I don't remember this. Ellie, don't tell me you don't have your homework. No, I don't. Uh-oh, you're gonna fail slime school. I want to be a slime master. I don't want to flunk out. This slime is part of your final grade. No! Ellie, are you okay? Yeah, I cannot fail slime school. Wait, you think we can split your slime in half? I don't think so. My slime is too gorgeous and I worked too hard on it. Oh, your slime's so pretty. Come on, we have so much we can share. No way. Jose, you have to do your own work for slime school. Oh, I just love it. Please, please, please. Nope. But how am I going to make slime if I don't have any ingredients? You're supposed to get ingredients from slime school and take them home. If you want to get your slime, you're going to have to break into slime school and sneak some ingredients. You mean I have to be a slime thief? You mean a slime thief? Yes, that's why I said a slime thief. Remember, don't do the crime if you can't do the time. Oh boy, can you please help me? Okay, let's go. What do you think she's doing? I have no idea. She looks insane. Okay, Ellie, so when I say go, you go run and get an ingredient. Then come right back. Okay. Go! I just made it. Okay, good job, but you still have to get more ingredients. Oh no.
Gross slime down here. I better get to cleaning. This place is a pigsty.
Okay, she's under the table. Go! Yes, I got this rainbow stars. Okay, that's perfect for sparkle slime. But now you need activator. Activator? Why did you didn't tell me before? Listen, I'm helping you. You should know how to do your own homework. I guess you're right.
I'm all done. All this cleaning. Has me thirsty. I think it's time for a snack. Oh, this looks delicious. Alien slime egg. Oh, you look so good. Very delicious. Hey, something to wash this down.
Ew, gross. Okay, this is your chance. Go get the activator while she's getting something to drink. Go! Okay, perfect. Now you're ready. Wait, I don't have a bowl. You better go get it. Go!
Now, what balloons do we want to fill for some balloon popping slime? I do like this rainbow. That will be a good one.
You got the bowl but no spoon. Go!
I like these balloons. These are more suitable for balloon popping slime. I think this is a good choice.
Hurry up, Ellie, and make your homework or we're going to be late for class. Come on, we have to make it to class. We're already running late.
Oh, good morning, slime students.
Good morning, teacher.
Did you have a good evening?
Yes.
Oh, and it looks like everyone's brought their homework. Perfect.
Miss CrayCray, what is this?
What is what? Oh, it's just some leftover breakfast. Okay, who has brought their sparkle homework to slime school? Perfect. All right, I'm going to be checking your homeworks. Ow! Oh, let's see. Not seeing too many sparkles. Let's see if it's in here. Oh, lots of sparkle beads in here. Very good slime. Nice and squishy. Beautiful. Beautiful slime. Let me get out some more. Oh, you made a lot of this. Very good homework. Let me give it a poke. Let's give it a drop test. Whoa, super droppy. Oh, and it cleans up nicely. Perfect bouncing. Now let's see a bubble. Whoa! I love that one. Okay, you may put your homework away. Now it's on to yours. So you have your homework for today?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Let me take a look. Nice and warm. This slime seems very, very fresh. Let's see. It is sparkly. There's lots of stars in it. Whoa! And it is super stretchy. Let's see. Whoa! Let's give it a drop. Oh, it's dropping in sheets. Cleans up perfectly. Perfect. Time for a drop. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let me see a bubble. Beautiful bubble, beautiful. It looks like both of you have passed your homework. Thank you for turning that in. Now it is time for today's lesson. Today we will be learning how to make something that is super special. Something that only a slime master can make. Only the best of the best of the best can make this type of slime. Do you know what it is?
Is it fluffy slime? Glitter slime?
Those are nice slimes, but I have something even more. We will be making phloem slime. Many people do not realize that phloem is actually a form of slime. It just has too much foam in it. So, if we open up this pack here, let's take a look. Now, the pre-packaged phloem is generally not the best. It's very, very crusty, it pulls apart, and generally just doesn't have the best of texture. If you take foam beads and make your own slime, you can make an incredible phloem that's soft, fluffy, pliable, and you can make shapes with it. Are you ready?
Yes!
The first thing we're going to need is some glue. I think I'm going to choose white glue for this one. As you know, this will be part of your grade of making this slime. So please do your best. Naiah, would you like a color in your glue?
I would like blue and green.
Blue and green. Ellie, would you like a color?
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple. So, what we're going to do first is pour our slime, pour our glue, and then add our color. We normally use no utensils in this class. No bowl and no utensil. But because we're using food color, we are going to use a mixing utensil just to get the color worked in it so it doesn't get on your hand initially.
Yes.
Most people think a spoon is best for mixing slime, but I say nay, nay. I think forks are the best because they have like little fingers on them that can really work the ingredients in. And sometimes in the spoon it gets stuck in that curve, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. So we're going to use forks. Now that you have your colors all ready, we're now going to mix in your phloem beads. Ellie, what color phloem beads would you like?
Small little rainbow beads.
The small rainbow beads. Naiah, what would you like?
The big rainbow beads.
The big rainbow beads.
Ooh, there's pink beads.
We're going to pour in our first batch of beads. Ellie, pour yours in. The whole thing.
The mix.
Now start to mix it all together. Naiah?
Yeah.
Mix yours in. You probably don't need all of it. You get Okay, now all we need is some activator. I'm gonna use Tide.
We forgot to bring it back.
Oh no! Class! We're missing our activator! Without activator, we can't make slime! Slime school will have to close! I'll lose my job and my business! I'll lose all my money and go homeless! Who will take
tell her. Yeah, you're right. I'm pretty sure we should tell her. Miss CrayCray.
Yes, students.
We know where your activator is.
You do? How do you know where my activator is?
So I kind of forgot to make my slime, so I snuck some ingredients this morning.
You snuck ingredients out of slime school without telling me?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't want to get a bad grade.
Ellie, stealing is very serious. You can't steal from slime school just because you forgot something. But I'm glad you told the truth. But next time, make sure you tell me before so we can work together to get your homework done on time. It's never good to lie.
We're sorry.
Now, where's that activator so we can finish this lesson?
Over there on the table.
All right, so we have some activator. Slime school is saved. Let's pour some in for you and pour some in for you. Start mixing. Okay, now it's time to test your phloem. Ooh, nice and trypophobic. Nice and slimy, phloemy as well. This is beautiful phloem. Let's see if I can make a shape with your phloem. Perfect! I can make a shape with your phloem. Very good job. Now it's on to yours. Let's test this phloem. Ooh, this is big boy's phloem. Nice big beads. All right, let's see if we can make a shape with your phloem. Perfect. See? Slime mixed with foam beads makes foam that is pliable. And when you're done, it goes right back to stretchy slime. Now, you leave a comment and let me know. Whose phloem do you prefer? Ellie's pink mini phloem or Naiah's teal giant phloem? That's it for today's school. Now remember, we might be having a pop quiz in our next class.
What's our homework?
So make sure you study. Your homework is to bring into class a giant pool of fluffy slime. I'm just kidding. We're going to make that on the next one. Your homework is to go home and watch Karina Garcia videos to find out how to make lots of slime. And you must bring a log back of how many hours you watched. Okay?
Okay.
Class dismissed.
Thank you, teacher.
Make sure you subscribe to Naiah vs. Elli. This isn't the Naiah and Elli toy show. So if you're subscribed to that channel, you want to subscribe to this one and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our slime schools.